Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be sharing with you a review of our 9 best carburetor cleaners for small engines and their features. In addition, you would be learning about carb cleaning additives and how to service a car carburetor. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. What is a good carburetor cleaner for small engines? In determining the best carburetor cleaner for small engines, we must consider some factors such as easy-to-use features, cost-effectiveness, and effective cleaning ability. Basically, a good carburetor cleaner for small engines should be easy to use without mechanical skills, it should not be too expensive, and most importantly, it should be able to clean your carburetor effectively without causing damage. What is the best carb cleaner for small engines? So far on our list, the best carb cleaner would be the Berryman carb cleaner. The reason for this is that it is very effective and also reaches the nook and cranny of a carburetor so that no dirt remains untouched after usage. Follow these steps to clean a carburetor with a carburetor cleaner spray. 1. Remove the cleaner air unit. 2. Spray carb cleaner into the air intake to remove grease and other debris. 3. Spray carb cleaner while the engine is running. 4. Shut off the engine and spray the inside and outside of the carburetor. 5. Clean the different parts of the carburetor with a piece of cloth. 6. Replace all the parts you may have removed. How to service a car carburetor? One of the most recommended ways to service a car carburetor is to take it to a professional auto mechanic shop. This would greatly reduce any unprecedented events of damaging the parts of the carburetor while removing it for cleaning. Nonetheless, you can service your carburetor by practicing routine cleaning of your car carburetor with a carb cleaning additive from time to time. We have highlighted the 9 best carburetor cleaners for you. This review analyzes the features of these products to give you a variety of products with different functions and benefits. 1. Berryman Carb Cleaner. This is definitely one of the best carb cleaners you would find in the market. It makes our list of the 9 best carburetor cleaners due to its simplicity to use, non-flammable and non-chlorinated composition as well as effectiveness in cleaning out debris quickly. 2. Gum Out Carb and Choke Cleaner. It is an easy-to-use carb cleaner that deeply cleans your carburetor openings without taking much time. If you are using Gum Out Carb and Choke Cleaner, you do not necessarily have to remove your car carburetor. 3. CRC Choke and Carb Cleaner. The most important reason CRC Choke and Carb Cleaner tops this list is because its composition is organic. This means it poses no risk of damaging any other components in your car engine. Moreover, it has received plausible reviews from users because of its organic and non-chlorinated composition as well. 4. Gunk Chlorinated Carburetor Cleaner. Unlike the first 3 carb cleaners on our list, this carb cleaner is actually chlorinated. By implication, this means that it would be super effective in cleaning your carburetor thoroughly. However, it also means that it could damage some components of the engine that may be made of plastic or rubber. 5. Berkable Instant Gum Cutter Carburetor Cleaner. Berkable Instant Gum Cutter Carburetor Cleaner is another carb cleaner you can trust to clean your carburetor very well. However, you should bear in mind that it comes with a higher price compared to other carb cleaners largely because of its quality and brand name. The composition is a very powerful and highly concentrated formula that is dangerous when in contact with skin. 6. Berryman Shim Tool Carburetor Cleaner. This is yet another carb cleaner from the Berryman company. This product is a spray cleaner for your carburetor, making it suitable for cleaning the tiny holes of your carburetor. This product has received impressive reviews from users, and it also comes in a variety of different sizes. 7. Gunk Non-Chlorinated Carburetor Cleaner. This time, Gunk comes out with a non-chlorinated version of their carburetor cleaner. Since it is not chlorinated, it obviously means that it is not as powerful as its chlorinated version. However, on the brighter side, the absence of chlorination also means that it is safer to use for the various components of your car carburetor and engine. Moreover, it features low-voc solvents. 8. Yamalube Carburetor Cleaner Dip. Have you tried different carb cleaners without any positive results? Well, this product is perfect for doing the toughest of carb cleanings. As a result of its high potency, it is recommended to be used for commercial vehicles or cars with higher mileage that need to get rid of plenty of dirt from the carburetor. You may not really need this product if you only drive your car for domestic purposes. Another important feature of this product is that it can be combined with water if you need an ultrasonic cleaning. 9. Gum Out Fuel Injector and Carburetor Cleaner. This product completes our list and is the first to work through the fuel injectors. The function of this product is pretty simple. You simply have to pour it with your fuel, and as you drive on the road, it does the cleaning job without you having to lift your bonnet. Isn't it such a fantastic product? Indeed, it is ideal for keeping a clean carburetor and does not require mechanical know-how. It is one of the best carburetor cleaner fuel additives for small engines. In conclusion, getting the best carb cleaner additive for your carburetor depends on you. Do you want a product that is extremely powerful or one that is effective and does not damage engine components? It also depends on the kind of car and mileage. Is it a household vehicle or a commercial? What is the mileage of the car? These are questions that would guide you in choosing the best carb cleaner for your car. Finally, you would have to consider your budget before picking a carb cleaner of your choice, as they vary in price. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.